Hey guys, how's it going? Cute King Ghidorah. So, to start off, we're going to begin with the eyes on one of the heads. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and up like a check mark. Make it a little longer. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a big kind of smiley face shape for an eye. Then right here, I'm going to draw another check mark going the other way, kind of curved. And I'm going to put another big smiley face, a little bit smaller right there. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down a little bit. And then I'm going to make a little bump right here for the nose. And then right here, I'm going to make a little mouth that goes up and then down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves up. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves down, and then another one for the eyebrows. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and then I'm going to put a couple of little spikes on the end. Then I'm just going to curve this line up a little bit. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and I'm going to go out and then come back for a little horn. And then right here, I'm going to draw a longer one that does the same thing. And then right here, I'm going to put one more that goes out and comes back. Then right here, I'm going to start the other face. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and up like a little check mark. And then I'm going to do the same thing right here. Then I'm going to put a big smiley face inside each one for the eyes. Then I'm going to just draw a curved line right here for the nose. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves out and then comes in. It's going to go around, up, and then out and in. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line underneath for the jaw. Then right here, I'm going to put a couple of little spikes, about 3 on each side. Then I'm just going to make the eyebrows a little bigger on top. Then right here, I'm going to curve a line that goes up like this and back down. Then I'm going to draw another one right here. And then I'll put one a little bit taller in the middle. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then up like a check mark. Going to put that big smiley face in here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then curves up and then comes back around like this. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and up. And then starting here, I'm just going to curve this around. Then I'll add a couple of those little spikes on the side. And then here, I'm just going to go continue this up. And I'm just going to make one long one on top and then a smaller one right here for the horns. Okay, so starting on this one, I'm just going to add a couple more of those little spikes over here. And then I'm just going to make 2 little curved lines for the nose. And then for the eyes, I'm just going to draw a little line here, and I'm going to put a little circle in here that I'm just going to color in. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. Then I'll do a big one here. And this one I'm actually just going to color in the whole eye. I'll do the same thing, little circle, big circle, color in most of the eye. And then over here, I'm just going to add the big circle, little one, and then I'll color in most of this. I like those better than this. Actually, I'll just color in these, like that. Then over here, I'm going to add 2 little nostrils for a nose, and then a little nostril here for a nose. Bring this line down. Then I'm going to put a couple little curved lines above each nose. Then, of course, we got to give them some little teeth. Put some above and below. Now for the neck. So starting right here, I'm going to, actually I'll start right here. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. And then another one that's just going to curve down right here. Then this one's just going to curve down to here. And then I'll do the same thing here. Then on this one, I'm going to curve this one down and up. And then I'm going to do the same thing and go right to here. Then I just want to make sure all these are kind of connected. Then I'm going to curve this here and add a little line underneath, and then do the same thing here. Then I'm just going to curve down 2 lines on each side. Then starting here, I'm just going to curve this line around like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line down. Then for the feet, I'm going to draw one round line like this. Then another round one right here. And then one more curved one right here. Then I'm just going to curve this up. Then I'm just going to curve this line right down to here. I'm just going to add a couple little extra lines there. Now over here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve out and around, and a little line underneath. Then I'm going to draw a little line down and this kind of curve around for a toe. Then I'm going to put another curved toe here. And then I'm just going to bring this up and back at an angle. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and down like this. Then I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to stop there. Then I'm going to curve this one up and down, and I'm just going to curve it back to here. Now for the wings. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and out like this. Then I'm just going to bring this back, and I'm just going to make a couple of these long lines in a few different spots around here, and then bring it back. And then over here, I'm going to bring this one up to here. I'm going to leave a little bit of space there. And then I'm just going to make it pop out here, and then do the same thing. Just make some of these long lines in some of these kind of different spaces, and then bring it back like this. Now, on each of these necks, I'm just going to put some spikes. And I'm going to do the same thing here. This is why I left some space right there. Put a few behind here. Then here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of come down and curve up here. I'm going to draw a line that does the same thing here. And then one right here, just going to curve up. Then I'm going to add some curves on here for some scales. And then some more on this one. And then some more right here. Then on the wings, I'm just going to connect these with a curved line. Each one of these spaces, just get a curved line in there. And then I'll add a few little lines onto each of their horns. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and down. And I'm just going to add a few curved lines on there for their stomach. Then I'm just going to put a few bumps on each end of the tail for some spikes. And then finally, I'm just going to add some little claws onto the ends of their feet. And there you go. There's your little cartoon Ghidorah. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.